Whoever said AI is going to be the end of the world did not lie. Because tell me how I can wear myself an outfit. Like, this is me trying different with different hairs. Can you see that? Can you see this? And this is me wearing this outfit. Boom. Okay. Yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate your own pictures, like to make you look like $1,000,000, like someone who literally went to the studio for a picture and clearly you didn't. This is very easy to do. Guys, don't worry, just sit back and enjoy, okay? You also get to pick whichever dress you want, and from this, you get this. Can you see it? Details, everything. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can generate your own picture like a photo shoot. Okay? AI now is taking over and there's no need for you to go to the studio. You can do it while seated in your house. So I created this picture like, a brand. And then I also did this. You can see. You can even see the date it was, it's today. See them. Yeah. I did not want this one. So I said, give me off shoulder. This is it. But I feel the neck is so wide. So I went with give me turtleneck. And also this one. And can you see how classy and beautiful this looks? Oh, MTN. Can you see it? So I decided to change the dress or the outfit and it gave me this. This is me creating this video, these pictures just sitting in my house and looking so beautiful. So I have a lot of templates or prompts that you can use. So if you're interested to know the template or prompt I'm going to use, type prompt in the comment section and I'm going to put you through. I'm going to send you the prompt I use for these pictures. Okay, you can see these ones made me fat. I'm not fat. I'm not this big. I'm not this big at all. So you can see this one, I was like, with a blonde hair, it gave me this one. Yeah, I could go like this, but I'm not this big. I'm a very tiny person. So I said I want the hair to be corner part, and it gave me that. So I asked for a portrait and it gave me this. And I also, you can see it here. The real picture, I did not use lipstick. I used a very mild or natural lipstick, and I was like, red is my color. I always love red lipstick, so I was like, make the lipstick red, and it made the lipstick red. Okay, one thing you have to do is to always say, do not change the face. You can see that this picture looks exactly like me. Do not change the face. That's what you have to say. Do not change the face. Do not change the look of this. So let me know if this is what you want. So the first thing you want to do, first of all, is go to ChatGPT and tell it what you need. So now I'm on ChatGPT. Let's see this one. So I came here. Let's look for one. So it says using this picture, keep the exact facial features. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to select and copy this. But then I want something different. So now I'm going to tell ChatGPT to rearrange it for me. I want it to be like a modeling shoot or a fashion shoot. a fashion shoot. Come on, natural and simple. She is wearing a white big shirt, top, and a blue jeans. Okay. So make the background aesthetic. Guys, I'm not using my glasses, so it's going to be a problem. And she is sitting on the floor. So with her, with one hand, where do I put this? On her hair. So now I'm coming to give ChatGPT the formal prompt and send. So now ChatGPT is going to generate the prompt. Sometimes it's not always correct, but you just need to read it through. But I'm not going to read it through. I'm just going to copy this. And the next one, I'm going to show you guys what else to do. So this is the site we are going to be using. It's called studioai.google.com. So when it opens, oh, okay, you're going to see it like this. So you start typing your prompt, but then what I do is I upload a file, which is my picture, and I already have the one I'm using here, which is this, my picture. It's blinking because of this. So you're going to put your picture here. I don't know if it was blinking then, but it was blinking here. I just had to stop it. So that prompt you copied, you're going to paste it here, and you're going to click the upload. So it does take some time. Let me stop it and come back. Now it has generated it. Let's see. You can see it. You can see how it is. So we said it should have white big shirt and blue jeans, and the hand should be on the head. Can you see how it is right now? Okay. So what you want to do is just download image, and that is it. You can also bring a dress and let's try it out. So I want to go look for a design. I already have one, but let's just see how it's going to go because I created a dress. So now I told AI to give me a different pose, and now I'm going to copy this. I'm going to select and going to paste it there. You see, do not alter the face at all. So now we are here, and I'm coming to get this picture again. This is it. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. Let me stop. So after that, this was what it generated. It's a fine picture, but I'm not this dark. My skin is light. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to make it or make me look lighter. So I tried one where I wore myself an outfit. Let's see if it can still do it. So this is me, and we're going to put the second picture, and this is the outfit I got. So I'm going to create the prompt, and we're going to send. So let's see if it's going to do it. So this is the image. You can see it. This is me in the image. But if you look very well, you will see that my hands are not showing. Abby? But yes, this is the image. So you can make yourself to wear any dress you want to wear. This is so beautiful. You can make yourself to wear any dress or any outfit. You just get the outfit and tell the app that you want it to wear. So no need for you to go and start buying photo shoot and clothes for photo shoots or going to the studio. You can do this in your house. Now I can say I want this to be on red lipstick and it will show red lipstick. I will say I want the hair to be blonde and it will give me blonde. I will say whatever it is I want to say and it's going to do it for me. But I'm okay with this because red lipstick is not going to go with this one. Okay, if you guys want, I don't know, but let me know if this interests you and you want more videos like this. Let me show you guys the one I did yesterday. These are some this picture I got it from Instagram and I put it here. You can see me wearing this outfit. So you can change your outfit, you can do whatever you want to do, say whatever you want to say, just to get the prompt you need and get the perfect picture. Something like this now, I will not be going to the studio to take pictures. I can easily do it in my house. Hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you guys. Bye. So this is the picture I used and this is the prompt. Don't know why I keep shaking. The prompt I used. Anyways, and this is the image it produced. You can see that it's actually me.